Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Data Saver mode on and off on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Data Saver mode is helpful to use if you are on a limited data plan. It can help stop apps from using up your data. Open the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Connections. In the connection settings, tap on Data Usage. Then tap Data Saver. Switch the toggle on to the right of Turn On Now. Data Saver is now on. You can tap Allowed to use data while Data Saver is on, if you would like certain apps to keep using background data even when Data Saver is on. There will be a few apps with this switched on by default. Switch the toggle on to the right of the apps that you would like to be allowed to use background data when Data Saver is switched on, and switch the toggles off on the apps that you don't want to be allowed to use data in Data Saver mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.